Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, June 29th. Time is around 8:45 GMT and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So for today I will only do a recap of our setup, as not much is changed compared to yesterday. So if you want to have more details on my Elliott wave count for the lower time frame, please have a look at my yesterday's video. If you are interested in the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily, please have a look at my weekend video. But so for today we will focus here on this structure and how to trade it. So overall the Nasdaq is bullish, and what we want to do then is buy the pullbacks. I have to say there is an important red flag which is related to this high here, because here we are at we touched the upper boundary of an area here in green from where we can expect a pullback. We are also at the resistance zone here, and we saw we see divergence in the 4-hour time frame. So this might be a sign that we are ready to pull back from here. However, that does not mean that we have to become completely bearish on the Nasdaq. It can still be that we further move up. This is also my primary scenario, that we see a bit more upside in the lower time frame. But I think it's important to protect your trades, to take early profit, to enter again. And this is what we actually did so far. So the first pullback was here. I gave you this area to go long. As you see, it worked out perfectly, in the sense that we touched this area and we had a nice impulse up. So a lot of traders were thinking like us. So this was a successful trade. But I also told you that we did not have any guarantee that we would fly to the moon from here, and that it was perfectly possible that we did a double correction or a deeper pullback. And this is also what happened actually. So this low did not hold. So if you took profits, good. If you moved your stop loss to your entry, you were stopped out without any loss. So that's also good. And now we have to try to take the next opportunity for more upside. I'm sorry, upside, of course. The next entry that I saw was here, this area. And this area we found by taking the length of wave A, the length of wave B, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension should be the area from where we can expect more upside. So this was the setup actually here, or wave C should enter here, and this should finish or wave 4 to the downside. Unfortunately, we did not reach this area. Yeah, sometimes this happens. Like, my trading system is a system that I enter really at the extremes. The advantage of this is that you hardly lose any money with this kind of a system. There is always almost always reaction to the upside in normal circumstances, without any special events or whatsoever. These kind of areas hold. There is reaction to the upside, which means that you can move your stop loss to your entry, and then you see if it further plays out, just like I did here. But yeah, the disadvantage is that because you are trading at the extremes, sometimes you simply do not reach this area, and therefore you also miss trades. And so this could actually be the case right now, that we could not enter this move up if we further move up from here. But for those that want to enter, there is still a solution for this, in the sense that if this was if our pullback in the lower time frame is completed here, so if the wave 4 is in here, then what we want to see is again 5 waves up to complete this wave 5 in a higher degree. So we want to see something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should again move up in 5 waves, because we need an impulsive structure here. Impulsive structures consist of 5 waves. So for now, it looks like this could be our wave 1. It's not really clear. So we really have to do some micro counting here. I see it as a 1, 2. This is a 3, 4, and a 5. We end with divergence. So this could be our wave 1. And so if you want to enter this move up, today might be the opportunity. What I want to see from here is an ABC pullback. But so now, as you can see, we are really micro counting on a lower time frame. This is the 15-minute, but I think you can even do analysis on the 5-minute. But so what you want to see is a structure like this: ABC down. So yeah, we are at the micro level, and then this here becomes your wave 2. And then from here buyers should step in again, and from here we should move up. Like, the advantage of this setup is that it is a really clear setup, in the sense that this will be the invalidation level. Like, if we do not hold this low, then it means that this setup is no longer valid. Then we have to look for something else. So now it's just a matter of personal preference. Do you want to take this kind of trades? Risk management. So more or less your area to enter. Also what's the invalidation level. So it's a matter of personal preference and trading and risk management. Me personally, I prefer to trade from this kind of areas, but that does not mean that this can be a successful entry for more upside. So it's really important that I tell you that this is the invalidation level, because if we take out this low, this setup as an ABC is no longer valid. And then it would mean that our pullback was not finished yet, and that we will see more downside. And then we should look for a new area to enter a long trade. And then I would say then the setup would look like this, so that this was only our wave A so far. So like a leading diagonal, like an like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. We end with divergence, wave A. This can be our wave B then, as like in 3 swings. As I told you, you can see 5 swings in here, but I can also see 3 swings. So this could be our wave B. And then the area where to go long is, we take the length of wave A, the length of wave B, and then the area between the one like this and 1.618 FIP extension is the area to go long. So what I want to see from here then is 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave C, ending in this area with divergence on the 15 minutes. And this is no longer relevant. Yeah, so this is what I see today, along from here or along from here. It's a matter of personal preference, risk management. It could be that this low holds, and then we see more upside, or we retrace deeper, and then we will definitely have reaction from this kind of area here, and then we have to wait for more data, how the reaction is here, how to further manage or trades. But these are the two entries that I see for today. I do not really see a short trade, as I told you, a long trade. No, a short trade. I mean, as I told you, like if this low holds here, we should see more upside. So it's not a good idea to short this. Of course, yeah. If this does not hold, we will see more downside towards this area. But yeah, this is I cannot predict this, that we will break this low. We have to see what the market gives us. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.